Guys, it's not easy. We are having another situation in the prop firm industry. That's for those who are trading with funded capital. This prop firm called True FOREX Fund has just shut down. It's been 3 days right now. They have shut down all their services. It means if you had an account with them, let's say for $100,000 funded challenge, or a funded account, $200,000 or $300,000 funded account, even all the way to $10,000 funded account, you can no longer trade your account because everything is frozen. The website it is frozen. So when we went through the website, because if you go on the website right now, you will see their reason. They said that for no reason, they call it no nonsense reason. They said Meta Codes terminated their contract with MT4 without even giving them any reason. For me, the main reason why this company was being terminated, or the Meta Codes terminated their contract, is because they are using an unregulated broker. The same stuff with my FOREX fund. These guys are using unregulated broker. And don't forget, if you want to have a company that have clients in the US, make sure you use a regulated broker, because these financial bodies or these regulatory bodies will normally come for you. They came for my FOREX fund, they came for the other company, and now they're coming for True FOREX fund. And now for no reason they have closed their services. That means anyone that has an account with True FOREX fund can no longer trade anymore until they open back their services. And we don't know when it's going to come back. It may take like 6 months, 7 months. And for people that depend only on trading, then you know how hard it can be. Because people have pending cash out, people have pending payouts, people are trying to finish up their challenges, people have funded accounts which are trading. Everything is frozen for the meantime. So guys, be careful. Make sure you invest in your real account, and make sure you focus on your real accounts more than you focus on your prop firm account. Of course, we need capital to trade, but it doesn't mean that because we are so desperate of capital to trade, let's say $100,000, $500,000, it means that we should put ourselves in a situation where we are stuck. Make sure you learn this lesson. Always focus on your real accounts. Don't depend solely on prop firms. So that's it for this particular video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.